Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify login problems in 2025 so you can get back to listening to your favorite music. First of all, make sure your Spotify is updated to the latest version. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly as login issues often happen because of an unstable network. If the problem persists, try offloading the Spotify app on your phone. To do this, open your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into iPhone storage. Now, find Spotify and tap on it. Finally, tap on Offload app and reinstall it from the same screen. This clears temporary cache without deleting your account or music. Then, reopen Spotify and try logging in again. Another important step is to verify your login credentials. Make sure your email and password are correct. And if you've forgotten your password, simply tap on Login without password, then enter your email or username and tap on Send a link. Spotify will send a link to your email. Simply open that email and follow the prompts to access your account safely. Finally, make sure your Spotify account is active. If your subscription expired or your account was deactivated, you may need to reactivate it through Spotify's website. And that's all. Following these steps should help you fix login problems on Spotify in 2025.